Up to now, they couldn't see that Akufo-Addo is in the spiritual exile. Akufo-Addo in Ghana, in the spiritual realms, he's in a cage. He has been bound for quite a long time. This man is being obsessed by different spirit, different character, different nature. That's why they are clergymen. Is it not there damaging, condemning His Excellency, the ex-president, Mahama? And now, has Akufo-Addo has not given them money before? Is it not they, the same people follow them to do the national cathedrals? Scanner what they say back mono otable ska wodi no Akufo-Addo wajiana otable bank is the whole Ghana ska otable dino has Akufo-Addo has otable pay that money? The most corrupt government that Ghana have ever got is MPP time, Akufo-Addo time. The dividend of MPP is Akufo-Addo. The downfall of MPP is Akufo-Addo. The downfall of Ghana is Akufo-Addo. He has been obsessed, possessed, different character. Akufo-Addo we know.